Welcome back to Homes Decor Designs, your one-stop channel for all things interior and exterior design. Today we're venturing outdoors to explore a design trend that's taking the world by storm: Japandi Terrace Decor. But, before that, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow. Subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. This captivating style is the brainchild of fusing two design powerhouses, Japanese minimalism and Scandinavian functionality. The result? A terrace that embodies tranquility, fosters connection with nature, and exudes a timeless elegance. At its core, Japandi Terrace Decor prioritizes simplicity and natural elements. It draws inspiration from the Japanese philosophy of wabi-sabi, which celebrates the beauty of imperfection and impermanence. This is perfectly balanced with the Scandinavian concept of hygge, aiming to create a warm and inviting space. What benefits of choosing Japandi Terrace Decor style? There are numerous advantages to embracing the Japandi aesthetic for your terrace. Here are just a few. First, tranquility and zen. The emphasis on natural materials and clean lines fosters a sense of peace and relaxation, ideal for unwinding after a long day. Second, functionality and comfort. Japandi prioritizes pieces that serve a purpose and are crafted with comfort in mind, ensuring your terrace is both stylish and inviting. Third, timeless appeal. The neutral color palette and use of natural materials create a design that transcends trends, remaining relevant for years to come. Fourth, sustainability. Japandi often incorporates recycled or reclaimed materials, making it an eco-conscious design choice. What the best furniture for Japandi Terrace Decor? Choosing the right furniture is crucial for creating a functional and stylish Japandi terrace. Here are some key considerations. First, natural materials. As mentioned earlier, prioritize furniture crafted from wood, bamboo, or rattan. Opt for pieces with simple finishes that showcase the natural beauty of the material. Second, low-profile seating. Low-profile seating creates a sense of spaciousness and allows you to connect with the surrounding environment. Consider floor cushions, low-slung armchairs, or a minimalist sofa with clean lines. Third, multifunctional pieces. Space optimization is key in Japandi design. Look for furniture that serves multiple purposes, such as a coffee table with built-in storage or ottomans that double as extra seating. Fourth, sustainable materials. Consider furniture made from recycled or reclaimed materials to align with the eco-conscious spirit of Japandi design. Fifth, comfort. While aesthetics are important, prioritize comfort as well. Opt for seating with soft cushions and ergonomic design. How to decorate your terrace with Japandi style. Now, let's delve into the practicalities of transforming your terrace into a Japandi haven. Here are top 10 best Japandi terrace decor ideas to consider. 1. Embrace natural materials. Opt for furniture crafted from wood, bamboo, or rattan. Stone accents and woven textures add further depth and visual interest. 2. Neutral color palette. Create a calming atmosphere with a foundation of beige, cream, light gray, and black. Introduce pops of color with carefully curated accessories. 3. Clean lines and simple forms. Furniture with clean lines and uncluttered silhouettes fosters a sense of serenity and openness on your terrace. 4. Minimalist furnishings. Prioritize pieces that serve a purpose and avoid cluttering the space. Opt for low-profile seating and focus on functionality. 5. Incorporate nature. Bonsai trees, ferns, or strategically placed potted plants bring the outdoors in, echoing the Japanese reverence for nature. Consider a vertical garden for smaller terraces. 6. Warm lighting. String lights, paper lanterns, and strategically placed floor lamps create a magical ambience after dark. Solar-powered options add an eco-friendly touch. 7. Textiles for comfort. Add throws, cushions, and rugs in soft, neutral tones crafted from natural fibers like linen or cotton. These introduce a touch of warmth and texture. 8. Water feature. The gentle sound of trickling water promotes relaxation and further enhances the connection with nature. A small fountain or water feature can be a wonderful addition. 9. Outdoor rug. Ground your seating area with a natural fiber rug in a neutral tone. This defines the space and adds a touch of texture underfoot. 10. Accessories with care. Select a few curated pieces that reflect your personality. Think minimalist vases, ceramic planters, or a sculptural piece of art. Less is definitely more in Japandi design. By incorporating these elements, you can transform your terrace into a serene and stylish Japandi haven. Remember, the key is to embrace natural materials, prioritize functionality, and create a space that fosters relaxation and connection with the outdoors. For a visual guide to these Japandi terrace design ideas, don't forget to check out the stunning images in this video, and subscribe to Homes Decor Designs for more inspiring design content. Let us know in the comments below how you'd incorporate the Japandi aesthetic into your own terrace. Again, thank you for watching this video, hope you like it and get useful inspiration from it. Let me know what's your favorite design ideas in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel Homes Decor Designs, hit and smash the bell button so you never missed our new informative and inspiring videos in the future. Thank you and see you on the next videos.